On the SalesForce AppExchange, you've found an app that fits your business need. However, you may not be accustomed to the terminology or unable to talk the business into adopting the language of the app. You may think that programs should be called classes, sessions should be called days, or whatever. In this case, normally you would have thought that you could use the Rename Tabs and Labels feature to edit the custom objects in the app. However, you may discover that you can only edit a few fields. Which only updated the record name and the tab. So how do you update the rest of it? Well, to update the rest of it, we use the translation workbench by enabling the translation settings. You will also have to add a default language. You'll have to activate this language, and you shouldn't have to worry about identifying translators. Instead, in the translation workbench, we're not going to translate the language, we're going to override it. If you're having trouble figuring out what the package name of the app is, you can go to your installed packages and look through the descriptions to find the package name. Now you can replace various components of the app, including your custom fields for each object. Buttons and links, validation error messages, and so forth. When updating the custom fields, you also have the option of updating the related list. And you update all of these simply by editing the field and clicking Save. You want to be sure to find all the places the words that you want to replace appear so that you get them all. Once done, you will be able to refresh your page and see that your words have been replaced. As we can see, day has been replaced throughout this page and on its related list. If we look at this Visual Force page, we can see that session has been replaced with day. However, the translation workbench can only override Visual Force pages if the app developer has coded them this way. So you'll have to go through the application to make sure all your changes have been replaced. We can also see that when we refresh a report, that session has been replaced with day here as well. Thank you for watching this demo, and hopefully in the future, terminology will not stop you from using an app off the AppExchange.